Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about protecting your important documents. Now, I'm not talking about what some of you may think about having a fireproof safe at home, but that's important too. I'm talking about another aspect of protecting your documents, something that's a little bit more portable. What I'm talking about is either a flash drive, thumb drive, one of those little devices you stick in a USB port, or a external hard drive, whether it's an actual hard drive or whether it's a solid state drive. Or what we used to do at DHS, we had stuff on DVDs. We'd burn it to a DVD and have a binder and we just have it in there. But there's a lot of data you can put on a DVD. But what you're saving is photocopies of driver's license, birth certificates, life insurance policies, homeowner insurance policies, automobile insurance policies, birth certificates, marriage license, all that important documents that in a disaster, if you have to leave, you want to be able to grab something, take it with you, you get there, you can at least show them, hey, all right, here it is. Here's the number. Go look it up yourselves. All right. Because if you don't have that information, it's rather hard to get the help you need when you're away from your home. All right. So protect your documents in the home, of course, with like a fireproof safe, but have stuff on backup that you can take with you. Now, sometimes you can also take these DVDs or whatever, or the thumb drives, especially the thumb drives, you make them password protected, and you can leave them with relatives. They don't know what the password is. They can't get into it. Your documents are safe there in case you need to leave. If you're get stuck at a Red Cross shelter or whatever, and somebody steals your stuff when you're in the bathroom or whatever, and they happen to take your copy of your DVD or thumb drive or whatever, and it's gone, you have another copy out there with relatives that you can get information from. All right? So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish or stupid. Most important of all, keep adding to your preps. Food, water, medicines, clothing, and everything else you're going to need. Why is that, you say? Well, this is why.